Hi, I'm making a face on my little mini pumpkin gourd blanks using Papier Mâché Pulp dough. It's real easy to use. So please follow these steps along with your form. If you don't have the form, that is found on my Etsy shop at Workshop Whimsy. You can use the same process to make different types of faces on other projects. Remember to dampen your fingers with the liquid starch. It makes it easier to apply the papier mâché pulp dough. So here we are adding the features, little by little, pressing them in and smoothing them out. Those are the little cheeks that I'm working on. I'm putting them over the existing wedges that are already on the pumpkin form. So I'm using another little face that I made previously as an example, but this one is going to be a little bit different. I have a very long stem on this piece, and you may notice that these are flat on the back. I make the full shapes and the flat back shapes for different types of decor. This one is almost ready. I just have to work on the lip portion of it, which is coming up. Here we go. It's going to go right under the nose. And all of this will come together once we add the colored paper. And as you will see coming up, I use crepe paper. You tear the pieces and apply them on top and just press down gently and smooth over the entire surface. It's very easy, though a little time consuming. So please stay with me. And here's the little sample. As we go along, you will be able to see a better image. And now we're ready. Let's add color. Here we go. I already started one half, and I'm going to add the rest of it. The goal is to cover the entire area, minus the eyes. We want to leave the eyeballs blank, but for the most part it will be covered with the orange. And just smooth it on very gently, and if it tears, you can always go back to fix it. I want to add, if your hands get sticky during the process, all you need to do is rinse them and dry them out. The liquid starch comes off very easily. So here we go. Continuing on, we're going to add the rest of the orange paper. And it's starting to take shape. And you can go back and press it into the little crevices. But don't forget to let it dry. And tune in for part 2. Here we are. Thank you so much for watching.